What's up, guys? My name's Sergio. Welcome to Avalos Creative. So in today's episode, we are going to be going to the All Caps Art Gallery. They're hosting an art show that is based around HO train scale graffiti and just graffiti in general. So before we get there, I bought a train set. It's missing some parts so it can be running smoothly. I'm going to be having it running at the art show. So we got to make sure that's working. But before we do that, let's put a sweater on. Okay, let's go. All right, so we're here at MRS Hobby Shop. Let's go inside and get what we need. Sweet, so we're back. They had everything we need, including a really hard to find adapter. So if you need some trains, you know where to go, MRS Hobby Shop. And let's go back to getting ready for the art show. Alright guys, so the art show was a good turnout, and thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the follow button, you know what to do. Peace!